Going to read English newspaper. MP government recognizes heat waves and natural disasters. In a significant decision, the Madhya Pradesh government has included heat waves in its list of natural disasters. This means that individuals who suffer fatalities due to heat waves will now receive compensation similar to that provided for other natural calamities. Following directives from the Central Ministry of Home Affairs, the state government has officially notified heat waves as a local disaster under the Madhya Pradesh Disaster Management Act of 2005. The new regulation is set to take effect in the summer of 2025. As a result, individuals affected by heat waves will be eligible for the same financial assistance that is currently available for those impacted by floods, earthquakes, and lightning strikes. The state government hereby notifies heat wave hyperthermia as a local disaster as per clause 3.2 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 and the guidelines on the constitution and administration of the State Disaster Response Fund issued by letter number 33/3/2021 NDM 1 dated 12th January 2022 from the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, Disaster Management. The Madhya Pradesh government said in an official statement. Notably, a number of deaths were reported from the northern India during the summers as temperature rose significantly. The heat wave in large parts of the country claimed 112 lives and more than 40,000 suspected heat stroke cases were reported between March 1 and June 19 this year, according to sources from the Union Health Minister. The maximum number of deaths due to heat stroke till June 19, 2024 were reported from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and Odisha. Heat waves are intense periods of excessively high temperatures, often accompanied by high humidity. They typically occur from April to June and can lead to serious health risks, including stroke and dehydration. The impact is especially severe in northern and central regions where temperature can exceed 45 degrees Celsius. The effects can be devastating, affecting agriculture, water supply, and overall public health. Thank you guys for watching this.